Today, I'm going to felt some springy stuff. Some assembly required. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm feeling very fluffy today, so I thought that I would do some felting. It's starting to feel a little springy outside. It's got a little ways to go on the warm side of things, but that's fine. I can wait. Not doing anything else. So I thought that I would try to make some springy things today. I'm thinking like a little chick and maybe an Easter egg, and I don't know what else. We'll see what comes to mind. Maybe a bunny. It's just some cute little springy things to get us a little bit closer to that warm weather. Easter is coming up. I don't know what that's gonna be like, but I'm sure it will be super fun. Somehow. I don't know. So I am going to get started on, I think maybe the chick first, because it seems cute. I'm going to use some wire for the legs. I'm going to try to make him stand, but I'm going to make him or her just sort of a round ball that looks kind of chicky. That's my plan so far. So watch and see if it comes together. We'll see. I'm probably going to go upstairs where it is sunnier, and so I can keep a close eye on all the homeschooling. Yay! So, first we have the little chick. The chick was really fun to make because really all it is legs made out of wire and a giant ball. So most of the work went into actually making it round-ish. I mean, it's not really round, but round-ish. And then covering with the pretty yellow chick skin, and then trying to give it really cute eyes. So I liked making that one, and I like how it came out. So that's exciting. The next thing I made was the little Easter egg. I knew I wanted to make an Easter egg, and of course I had no idea what I wanted to put on it. So I just made it white, sort of a base color. And then I thought a cute little bunny could go on it, sitting on some grass. And then I thought, you know, what's cooler than some Easter eggs on an Easter egg? And I put a couple little eggs on it as well. So that was pretty straightforward. The tricky part was making it egg-shaped. Apparently I have a hard time with an egg shape. But I mean, it came out pretty cute. Springy, cheerful. That's all you can ask of it. And finally, I decided to make a little bunny because what says Easter and spring like a bunny? Nothing. That's what. So the bunny is basically just a giant oval shape with a flat bottom, and then I really didn't want to make a brown or a tan or a gray bunny, so I picked pink because it's fun. You know, cute little pastel pink bunny seemed like the thing to do. I don't know. So that was fun, and then I just gave him some ears and a cute face and some arms and legs, and of course a little tail in the back. Can't forget the little cotton tail. So here are my new little friends. I hope you enjoyed their birth. So thank you for watching this video. It was really fun to make these guys, and they will sit somewhere and make my house a little bit more cheerful. Today is a beautiful, beautiful sunshiny spring day, but I think coming up it is just gray and rainy for a while. So at least we have some sunshine in little Chicky, I guess, for now. For now, I'll let it go for a little bit, but after that, it's gonna need to be sun, like real sun. So make sure that you are subscribed if you like this kind of thing. Give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell so that you do not miss anything. New videos come out on Tuesdays and Saturdays, so stay tuned for more. I have no idea what's going to be next, but it's going to be fantastic, no doubt. So stick around, watch some more videos while you're here watching videos, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!